In the DNC from CNC mode of operation, the CNC control sends the data to the control box as needed, and it still incorporates the M function cable, but the data is sent over the RS-232, and here's the M function cable as well. So the box is a slave unit just receiving the commands as the CNC sends the information over the RS-232. And the example program looks like this. You have your XYZ moves. In the case of the Fidel, there's a wait and there's a cache memory reset. And the Fidel uses S-print. Most other controls are D-print. It's the same function. So in this case, it's printing the A, B, G code and the feed rate to the box as needed. When the machine is ready, it sends the information over and it tells the control box to start. And when the control box is done finishing these moves that it received, it sends back to the CNC that it is completed. It closes the relay and the CNC continues with the XYZ moves until it comes to the next S print or D print, and it runs entirely from the CNC control. So there will be no program within the box. You just have to link up the connection. So we're going to do DNC from CNC, and when it's in this mode, it's just waiting to receive the information from the CNC, and this is what the operation looks like. So the box is doing exactly what the CNC tells it to do when it tells it to do it. The CNC has complete control. And then it would just cycle through from the top.